What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this stunning Instagram Stories product design in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. When using a Mac, simply double-click the compressed file. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop one of the Instagram Stories product files into Photoshop to open the project. Each Instagram Stories product file has different properties. The general process of editing the content of these template files is relatively easy and straightforward. Once the Instagram Stories product template is open, click on the arrow button next to Images, and it will expand, showcasing two new image layers. Double-click the first image and a new tab will open up. Here, drag and drop your desired image onto the workspace canvas. If you want to further fine-tune your chosen image, double-click its image layer thumbnail, and another window will open up where you can freely customize the chosen image to your liking. Once done, use the Ctrl and S shortcut on Windows or Command and S on Mac to save the changes. This will allow you to preview your new changes on the Instagram Stories tab. If a default template layer interferes with your selected image, just unhide the I button next to that layer and save your changes. You can also add a background behind the chosen image. Drag and drop your desired background image onto the workspace canvas and make sure the background layer is below the main image layer. Feel free to resize it as to your preference. Like before, if you want to further fine-tune the background, just double-click the image layer thumbnail and a new window will open up. Here, you can freely customize your background. Simply double-click on an empty space next to the selected layer to open its Layer Style window, and go through the various options to tweak the background. When done, click OK and use the Ctrl and S shortcut on Windows or Command and S on Mac to save your changes again. Your final image will show up in the Instagram Stories Product Image tab. Now, to change the text and other details, the process is similar. Just double-click the desired layer thumbnail and proceed to implement your changes. For instance, if you want to change the main heading text, expand the Details group and then expand the Title group. Here, double-click the thumbnail icon, and now you can change the heading text to whatever you like. In case you get the missing font warning pop-up, then head back to the folder containing the template files and open the PDF file containing the font information for this template. You can either use this or choose any of your pre-existing fonts in your Photoshop font library. And just like that, you can continue experimenting with other elements of this Instagram Stories product template. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.